Got a 1963 C10 pickup. It's a nice powder blue. It's been lowered. You have Goodrich TA radials or trail, long trail. Got the power brakes, the dual master cylinder, probably Chevy 350. Got the aluminum radiator with the AC and an electric fan in there. Got a nice cover on it to match the body, bed cover. The gas tank's behind the seat. It's got nice seats in here, captain seats. Got the gun rack. Automatic transmission with floor shift. Tachometer's up on the steering wheel, nice tan interior. You know, it's very comfortable to drive this lowered and with AC in it and stuff, different suspension. Doesn't ride nothing like the 63 truck it was originally. Sweet looking ride. Grandpa's 63 from the Sunshine State in Florida.